Hello, Abu Saleh. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Let's start our discussion.
My name's Jasmine Akhtar. Today, I'm going to talk about my social media research method comparing the video research method. So, I have chosen social media research method, and social media research method actually can be qualitative and quantitative methods where researchers can use social media data to understand public opinions, and it reflects people's spontaneous expressions. What about you?
Okay, I have chosen video research method which can be in two ways. One is a video recording by the researchers, is another is using video produced by others as a data source. In case of video research method, researchers use video footage to observe and analyze participants' behavior during the study. It provides deep and visual data that help researchers to understand participant interaction and capture both verbal and non-verbal communication. Video researchers help capture social and cultural phenomena as they naturally occur everything in setting. Can you explain focus of the two methods?
Well, I'm going to talk about the focuses of these two methods. And if I talk about the compare of these two methods, then both methods focus real human behavior and communication, and they aim to understand people's real interactions using digital tools and careful analysis. And both allow data to be reviewed. And if I talk about the contrast of these two methods, then social media research methods context is virtual and content is open, textual, visual, and brief, whereas video research method is physical and situational, and social media research focus on public opinion, and but video research method it focuses nonverbal cues. So can you please talk about data collection of these two methods?
Sure. In case of data collection method, first we have to go to the compare and the similarities. That's mean social media research and video research method both are support multimodal analysis. Both methods are need careful planning and thoughtful analysis. If we go for the contrast or the similarities, social media research is a fast and less control. On the other hand, video research method is a slow and highly controlled.
Well, so now we can go for the topic that is data analysis. And if I talk about the data analysis of these two methods, then they compare the manual or semi-structured coding to identify patterns and analyze their data to uncover the meaningful trends. And if I talk about the dissimilarities of these two methods, then social media research method is semi-structured, whereas video research method is usually more structured compared to social media research, because the researchers often controls what is recorded, where, and when. So can you please talk about the strength of these two methods?
Sure. If we go for the strength between two methods, first we discuss about the similarities. Both can be longitudinal because both researchers allow to observe changes over time. On the other hand, both can be flexible in analysis when analyzing social media content and video recordings. If we go for the contrast or dissimilarities, volume of the participant is high in case of social media research, and volume of the participant is less in case of the video research method. Can you discuss about the limitations of the methods?
Uh, the limitations, if I talk about the compare of these two methods and limitation, then first of all, uh, I want to talk about the similarity. Then both methods take a lot of time to find meaningful patterns and avoid mistakes. And in both methods, understanding context is crucial. And if I talk about the contrast of these two methods, then social media research method struggles with authenticity, bias, and overwhelming data, whereas video research method struggles with privacy, small participant numbers, and time-heavy analysis. Can you share some information about the ethical consideration of these two methods?
Okay, if we consider the ethical consideration, ethical consideration is very important in the research. First, we have to go to the similarities between two methods: informed consent, privacy potential, cultural sensitivity, and confidentiality. If we go to the contrast or dissimilarities, participant control in social media research is less because they cannot take back it easily. On the video research method, a participant can stop their consent at any time. Can you explain, please, the conclusion of the discussion?
Yeah, so now we are in our ending part. So in ending part, we can see that both methods end with ethical analysis, data interpretation, and validation. And in contrast, social media research method is actually cost effective and it suffer from data authenticity issues, whereas video research method provides authentic, high quality behavioral data in a specific context, but it requires significant time, effort, and ethical consideration in data collection. And I think that if anybody wants to know more information, then they can go through the differences of social media research method and video research method. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.